Greetings all and welcome to Math in Anger. This is episode 13 and we are still looking at adding and subtracting. This is part 2. Um, there really isn't much more I can say about adding and subtracting. We're going to go through a couple of examples, but there are more important things that I think I can help you with. The first is don't be scared. Keep it simple. Honestly, when I show people something like this, let's just take this away. When I show people something like this, a lot of times people react like this. And I'm like, ah, don't, don't. Just keep in mind, when you're working with addition and subtraction, you're never working with more than 2 digits at a time. This thing where you see people on YouTube and on TV where they look as if they take this entire value and they immediately add the entire following value to it. That's They are following the exact same process you are taught. They just do it really, really quickly. And the reason they do it is because they've practiced. Think about it this way. When you go to gym and you see that guy he's like benching 350 kilos, and it's like, is it that you are weaker than that guy, or is it that you just haven't put in the exercise that he has in order to get to that point? Same thing. Same thing in mathematics. It really is that simple. Your mind, this thing here, it's a muscle. Just like the muscles you have in your leg. Take that muscle to gym. I think I spelled that wrong. But yes, you get the idea. And the beauty of it is the gym that you take your mind to, you don't even have to get into your car. You don't even have to walk anywhere. You quite literally need just this. Grab a pencil, some paper, and an abacus, and keep it simple. In the same way that you don't walk into a gym and immediately start benching 350 kilos. You start at 10. When that gets too easy, you move on to 20. Same thing. Go do this. Go. Go practice that simple 2-digit addition and subtraction. Go practice that. Take your abacus, play with it, do this. You will be amazed. I kid you not, guys. 10 minutes a day, not even 10. Take 5 minutes. Sit down with a pencil and paper, play with your abacus. You will be amazed how quickly you get to the point where you look at something like that and you start doing this. You see what I'm doing? Yeah, this that's all you do. Stop being afraid. Honestly, you're doing yourself a disservice. You are very, very, very much capable of doing this. Really. Yeah. A couple of other tips I can give you is how to prevent mistakes. All right. I want to show you something. Let me do this. It's 9, 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. All right. Now, look at what happens when you are like in the middle of an exam and you're now quickly trying to do this. So you start writing this down 10, 11, 2, 4, and that's completely wrong because you didn't line things up neatly. Write neatly in columns. Don't be in a rush. Get it right. Don't allow yourself to panic. Don't allow yourself to be afraid. You are doing yourself a massive disservice. Then the other thing is write your carry numbers above. Take a look at what I did here. Right? Now, most will go and do this. I was like 3, 2, 9, 10, 11. And that there, what I just did there, this is a carry number. Write them above and make them almost as big as your other numbers, the other digits that you write. Okay? Because that is very difficult. That is very easy to miss. This is not. And now I want to show you something else. Right. Stop trying to remember, please. This thing that they do to us in school where it's like, just remember. Oh, I am so fed up with this. I cannot explain how fed up I am with that. Just remember this, just remember this. When somebody's teaching you mathematics and they use the phrase, just remember, you know for a fact that they are doing you a disservice. Do not remember, understand. If somebody's teaching you mathematics, this is what you want to hear. I'm spelling this wrong, I'm pretty sure of it, but oh, you don't get it? Okay, hold on. Allow me to explain. Let me explain. Let me see if I can find another way to explain so that you can understand it. That is what you want to hear. Not the whole just remember thing, okay? And if the person teaching you math doesn't have the time or the freedom, or they're under stress and there's too many people and what have you, then find someone who has the time and can sit you down and explain. Okay? Work on understanding. And now I'm going to show you something. Let's get out the abacus again. Right. Let's do a bit of subtraction. Let's take this number. It's this value: 4, 6, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to subtract this this value: 1, 3, 7, 8, 2, 1, 2. And now we go and do subtraction the way it's taught in school. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2, oh, you can't. Go borrow 1. Stop right there. Stop. Let me show you what happens on the abacus. Let's see, what do we have here? We have 4, 6, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3. Right? So we're going to add, well, we're going to subtract 2. Okay, cool, we've got 1. We're going to subtract 1. Okay, cool, we've got 1. We need to subtract 2 here. Okay, You can't. 1. Oops, I can't count any further. Go fetch 10. 9. Did you see that? You're not borrowing anything. You're not going to give it back. You are fetching 10. Look at this. Let me say it properly. I am fetching 10, so this 6 becomes a 5, so that this can become 11. You're not borrowing anything. You are fetching 10. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now, 5 minus 8. Oh, you can't go and fetch 10. This 2 becomes 1, so that this 5 can become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And again, 1 minus 7, you can't. Go and fetch 10. This 6 becomes 5, so that this 1 can become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. You are not borrowing 1. You are fetching 10. Work on understanding. That is very, very important. This thing that gets done to us in school, where we're like, borrow 1? That is why I tell you the abacus is the key you need in order to properly get arithmetic. Again, as I told you in episode 1, the only thing you get when you go to school is the written form of mathematics. No one ever plays you the music. What I've just done here is I've played you some of the music. Understand. Don't be a robot. Then, yeah, we have discussed that. We have discussed that, and all of this. That then was Math in Anger, episode 13. Please, please, people, I beg you, go and practice your single-digit arithmetic. Go and practice this. Grab a piece of paper. Do this. You are going to realize that within weeks, I kid you not, within 4 weeks, if you do this 10 minutes per day, if you play with your abacus, I guarantee you, you're going to start looking at this and you're just going to start writing numbers down. And again, start with your single digits. And when that becomes too easy, you're going to find that you do something like this. Almost like 3, 2. You don't even struggle anymore. It just happens. Okay. That was Math in Anger, episode 13. I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.